Today we're going to discuss stepping into leadership by using daily affirmations. Be sure to like and subscribe this video and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I am a leader. I can lead teams effectively. I can inspire others. People follow my lead. Every day, I lead better. Today, I take charge. I am influential. I guide others confidently. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.